LED lights have long been my most requested feature, but I've always feared that they'd ruin my sculptures. Now I have an exciting new plan. This project will either redefine my art or smother it with tackiness. First, let me show you why I haven't been using LEDs. Normally, you'd print super thin shells and then glue them down, but there are problems with this method. The color is barely visible unless you turn down the lights. And even then, all you get is uneven pastels. And to top it off, these shells are really easy to break. But I think I have a solution. I'm going to build an LED backing from an aluminum composite panel, reinforce it with an aluminum frame, and install 780 3D printed petals. The magic of this plan is that the LEDs will be tucked between the pieces, not inside. This should look better whether the lights are on or off. But will it still look tacky? Let's find out. So to get started, I will trace and cut the outline from the aluminum composite panel. The next step will be to cut the grooves in the flaps so I can fold them up and glue them in place to give the panel depth. Now I'm going to trace and drill holes for the LED lights. Then I'm going to etch markings for the accurate placement of the petal pieces. Now it's time to install the string of LED lights and attach the aluminum hardware and frame, resulting in the completed LED panel. With the panel done, it's time to start the 3D printing process by slicing the files, printing a few at a time, and then cleaning and trimming all the pieces. While laying the pieces out, it occurs to me that this is usually when I'd be preparing to screw the pieces together, but this time I'm preparing them to be united with this LED contraption. So I test the apparatus one last time to make sure everything is ready to go. We are gathered here today to witness the permanent, irreversible union between this flower sculpture and these LED lights. If anyone has any objections, leave your comments down below now or forever hold your peace. After countless hours of assembly and troubleshooting, the breakthrough finally came. This project pushed me to my limits and forced me to step out of my comfort zone. The result is a stunning blend of form and light that redefines my art. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I can't wait to show you what's next.